So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I will tell you that how to put a projector type of light or this bulb or any type of LED bulb in a Hero Optima. So first let me get started. So if you are having the older model and sorry the 2019 variant, then you are wanting to put this light, then you will need this one, this kind of H4 socket of Splendor or any motorcycle or a scooter. You will be needing this H4 socket. This scooter doesn't have it. This has a kind of coupler. Wait, I got it. This kind of a coupler. So if you don't want to add this, then you can add the wires. Let me tell you which wires you will need to add it. So let me say it to you. So first of all, the main wires will be the black one and the white one. So there will be three wires on. Wait a minute. There will be three wires on this. Okay, then what you need to do is, let me tell you, the green wire will go on the black one and the blue will go in on the white one. Okay, so if you are having using this coupler, then you need to do this wiring and put one wire. Sorry, but I can't tell you the wiring of the filaments of the. There are three filaments for the H4 socket. So I have totally forgotten that. So you just need to touch it and check. Two checkpoints will be there in, and one wire will be left that you will not need that wire. So this will cost you approximately 35 bucks if you are using this, and if you want, then it is totally free of cost. So I am using this multicolor bulb. So if you want to use it, then you will be needing a switch in the older model, or if you are having the H4 socket from before, then it could be used by your pass switch, sorry, the high beam and low beam switch. But this model, it is not working because the connections, because this light has a lot of modes, that's why. So first what you need to do, you need to take a switch and you just need to connect the switch first wire on the right side of the, on this side, on the right side of the light, and on the top you need to put the second wire. So let me just connect it in the H4 socket. So here I have connected it. Okay, then after connecting, it will look like this. So now it is in red, now it is in purple, now it is in blue. It won't justice in the camera, I think so. So from here you can just control it. See, now it is white, now it is red, now it is pink, now it is, wait, what is it known as, strobe light. So if I would like to say you the truth, then if you wanna use any other LED which doesn't have mode like this, then it's totally easy. You will just need to wait, the coupler I have thrown it. Wait, let me show it the cup. Yes, I got it. So from the coupler you need to cut the three wires and just connect it in the three ports of LED if you are using LED. But from the company, wait, I would like to show you. This is totally soldered inside, you cannot understand this one. So if you will open it also, you won't get the three pins. So you will just need to cut it, and on these wires you need to give the three ports of the LED. Means you will need to give the connection of the three ports of the LED. So this is not that much kind of bright, I would say, but it is still okay. So let me just put it inside my, wait, what is it known, the fairing. Wait, let me show it to you. So like this, just keep it on the top, and then you will be needing the spring to lock it. Wait a minute, let me lock it first. So let me show it to you. You will just need to put the spring like this and then just take it from here and then just wait a minute. Let me show it to you. You will just need to push and put it inside like this. You can see it like this. After that, how the look is coming, let me show it to you. So I have tinted it inside the glass, I mean the reflector. Wait a minute, the wire connection has gotten loose. Oh, the wires had came down, that's why it's happening. Wait a minute guys, it is taking little bit of time. Oh, I have attached the wrong wires, that's why. Let me connect it again. Sorry guys, it is not connecting, that's why I'm taking so much of time, but you can just pause the video and go on the upper part of the video. Oh shit man. So guys, here it is ready. So let me change the color with the LEDs light, sorry, switch. So now the whole atmosphere has gone purple. Let me do it in red, then show it to you. So guys, this is in the red one. Let me off my lights, yes. So guys, this is how it looks. Wait a minute. Like this it does looks. It looks like a mini projector. That's why I fitted this, and in the white one, let me show it to you. Wait a minute. So this is it guys. So this is how you will be needing to do the wiring of it and all, and this how it will look. So bye guys, I will see you on the next video. And this is kind of a cheap bulb, but I've said you of the another ones if you wanna connect the other ones. Wait a minute. Like this, what you need to do is, let me show it to you. Like this you can change your modes of the LED. I don't know why the camera is not justicing it, because it is in blue, I think that's why. So all have gone purple. So bye guys, I will see you on the next video. And the pricing of this bulb was approximately 160, or I have gave it only for 150. I have bargained on the shop, and this switch costed me approximately 50 and that H4 holder costed me approximately 35 bucks. So it is kind of cheap, but still I would say you that if you wanna put that H4 holder and put the LED lights, then it will be quite easy. And if you will put the LED this one in Hero Optima, then you will be needing the H4 socket and the switch means sorry guys, I will see said you a wrong thing, but the H4 socket is not in for important. The switch is more important, because if you will connect the right wires on the light and on the switches also, then it will work. But I have still changed it because I was needing a H4 socket holder, because my older one was kind of little bit of sparkling and I didn't wanted to tape it. That's why I have put in this. So bye guys, I will see you on the next video. It's kind of cheap. So I will see you on the next video. Bye guys. Love you all.